How's it going, guys? Xaikoo here. Have you ever been in a situation where you're playing a game in your Xbox or your PS and you're like, man, this game is so damn good. If only there was an able where I could stream it without losing my 100% potential of the console. Well, if you have ever been in that position, today you're in luck. Because today I have something so amazing right here which can change your life for the better. And that thing happens to be a $10 video capture card. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, Xaikoo, come on, are you kidding with us? Video capture cards are usually worth hundreds of dollars and something only pro streamers would use, right? Well, let me take this time to say to you, I've been waiting for this. You are wrong, sir. You can buy this thing for as little as 10 bucks. Now, to be honest, where I am here, I cannot get the one which is for $10 delivered to my place. So I went ahead on Amazon and bought it for about 24 bucks. But come on, man. One place you're paying $170 and one place you're paying 24 bucks. And it does the same damn exact thing. This video capture card is probably the easiest way to capture your videos from your consoles or from your mobile or from your iPad. And GoPro, for God's sake, I use this GoPro now for video calling. And I have a 4K video camera right here to use as a webcam. I mean, this thing is that amazing. We'll get into how to use this and everything in a little bit, but I wanted to talk about how amazing this capture card is on its own. To be completely fair and honest, I have never owned the video capture cards which are worth hundreds of dollars because I have never been a gaming streamer. I'm too good for those gamers. So I never had the necessity to use any of the video capture cards, but right now, because I'm making these YouTube videos, I'm taking all my online classes and I have to attend a lot of meetings which are online. So I was like, you know what, it would be a good idea to have a video capture card so I don't have to always open my laptop to do any video call, and I can just use my old GoPro to just use it as a webcam. And I was like, I want to buy a video capture card. And honestly, when I first started exploring, I was thinking of something about 100 bucks to buy and to do all my streaming and everything basically. But then I was like, hold on, Amazon is saying there's a video capture card for 10 bucks. I was like, dude, if this thing worked or not, this would be a great episode for my Xaikoo series. And I was like, let me buy that right now, right there. I mean, to be honest, I also was hoping it would work because this would be a good story, right? But anyway, so I went ahead, ordered this thing, got this thing at home, and I was ready for it to fail. Like, come on. And I was like, either this thing will fail instantly or in a few days. But it's been a month and this thing is working perfectly. And I'm sitting right here thinking, if this thing works so well, it is doing everything any other video capture card is going to do, why are people still buying those insane amount of money costing video capture cards? Like, seriously, they like, I remember Camcorder, I hope I'm pronouncing that name right. They have the same video capture card, and trust me, it works the same way. You put the HDMI in from one end, and from the other end you have the USB, you connect your computer, and they are charging about $140, $50, $70 for their video capture card. And there is this video capture card as a competition, if you can even call it that. And this thing is for 24 bucks, does the same exact thing. You can literally have 6 of these to do the same exact thing you're paying for one video capture card. Now, to be completely honest, maybe the next time when I'm trying it, it fails. Maybe it just did it for till this review. But after a month of like tremendously using this thing, I have been using this thing almost every day. I have whatever meeting I'm attending using this. And this is not letting me down. This thing is always there, ready to go whenever you plug that in. This has no heating issues. This has no delay when I'm using the video or anything like that. This thing is, you know, giving me like nanoseconds of like result on my screen and everything. So I don't know where it's gonna fail. And if it's not gonna fail, I'm not sure on what to think about those hundreds of dollars of capture cards out there. Now, once again, I have never used them. Maybe they have something so awesome that makes them worth that much amount of money. But if someone is just trying to come online on Twitch or Facebook or Instagram, I don't know, maybe they can use one of these devices for so less of money and get the exact same results which they are promising to give. Now, of course, this thing being somewhat new and cheap in the market, there's this weird sketchy thing going on all over online internet where if you buy it from some sketchy website, it might take more than a few months to get it to your place, deliver it to your place, and maybe it won't be the same exact thing which you were hoping. So I would go ahead and put a link in the description. You guys should go ahead if you want to order it from Amazon. That link, that is what you guys should definitely have a look at. And I would really suggest you guys to go and just give this thing a look if you're planning to buy a video capture card, because this thing is amazing. The only thing I still have to do in this is capture a 360-degree video, or maybe try to stream that thing live, because if I'm able to do that, this thing might just be the best thing that has happened to the new video recording tech in a few months at least. All right, enough about talking. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna give it a rating towards the end of the video. Until then, let's go ahead and see how this thing actually works. It's super simple, but still, if someone needs to know, this is how a video capture card works, at least this one. In just those steps, you are live and running your webcam, your PlayStation, your Xbox, I don't know, God, whatever you want to run, you can run it on this thing. And it's just that simple. This is the first time ever in this channel I'm giving a device a 10 out of 10. This thing is awesome. And I will really recommend everyone who's trying to get a video capture card to just give this a try. If it works, great, you're saving a lot of money. If it doesn't, it's just 25 bucks. It's way less than what you would have been paying to those so-called top level video capture card. So that is it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me here. Please subscribe to my channel. I not always say that. I just put subscribe at the end because I have been seeing that a lot of you are not subscribed to my channel. So it would be really helpful if you guys can hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I upload videos almost every Saturday, unless it's like very heavy week or something. I try to post a video every week. So just consider that. And thank you so much. You guys have a great week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you guys in the next one.